Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today we are going to draw about a single head spanner. Simple. Draw one line. Draw here one line. Draw one circle. Here one more circle. Here one more circle. And draw here one taper, here one taper. Join this. After that, take here, cut here. After that, take one curve. Join this line, and here this line will join. Yeah, one more circle will come. Here one more circle will come. After that, here will cut and join this line. This circle will cut. This is called a single head spanner. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe and share, like this video. Thanks for watching.